What was the head up high? Love yourself. I don't care where you come from. I don't care what country. There's Argentina, Colombia, Puerto Rico, República Dominicana, Ecuador, Panamá, Mexico. I don't care where you come from. Here, we're Latinos. Gotta take care of each other, and I always say that. Got a very interesting year coming up. Let's just show them what we're all about. God bless you. You guys are beautiful and more powerful than you can imagine. You guys are the power. That's it. You're more powerful than you can imagine. We are the power. When I say mi gente, I want you guys to scream as loud as you fucking can.